The palettes page on our website provide access to a much wider range of symbols than are delivered with gCADPlus. I'm scrolling down through the page now, and you can see some of these palettes here. They're groups of symbols. Let's say, for the sake of argument, I was working on a drawing and wanted to insert this generic set of new symbols. They've been downloaded now just by clicking on them, and they've gone down into my downloads folder. Well, let's return now to gCADPlus, and we'll imagine that we want to use the new symbols in this drawing. There are a number of ways to do that. Perhaps the quickest and easiest way is to click on the blocks icon on the toolbar. You could type the command blocks, but let's click on this one. Up pop a list of blocks contained within the drawing, and down on the bottom left is an option, add from another file. So I can pick that option, and what I now need to do is to go to my downloads folder, and there's that group that we just downloaded. I then can say I can pick any individual block from within it, or take the whole lot as one group. There's already some in there, but so we'll say yes to all and insert this whole block into the drawing. And there you can see it ghosting around, anchored at the crosshairs, and I can pop it down. So there our new symbols are into the drawing. There are other ways to insert them. You could go File and Insert. You can insert a block. You could retain it. That's identical to what we've just done. Or you could explode the block as it comes in. What that's doing is short-circuiting things a little. I now need, if I want to use those individual ones, I need to explode them. And now the symbols are in the drawing. Each of these is a meter or so across. Oops, snap must be on in this drawing. Let's say no. Let's make sure that we clear the nearest and end point and so on. So I'm going to clear all. Now I can use my measure tool to measure from one side of the symbol to the other, and you can see it's about a meter across. So the planting in this plan by and large is for much smaller plants. So I hope that gives you an idea of how you can go about using the blocks command to insert blocks from other sources, and in particular from the palettes page.